Who is this doesn't matter.
You know what? I'm just gonna hang up.
You hang up, I'll kill you. Come to your nearest hut now, or else you'll be ended. Or I'll end you. Okay, for playing. Come to your nearest hut now.
Okay. Why are you here and what do you want?
You know what I want. I want to kill you. Jack, what happened? Okay, what happened? You go first and you go. Why does your face look bruised? Go first.
He's so killer. He tried to kill me. He tried to stab me. But thankfully I was so strong that
I think you're just hallucinating, bro. Okay. But why is your face bruised?
Pull the pool over there.
That makes sense. I think we should just go home and watch a movie.
But where?
Yo, guys, do you guys think we should watch the Scream movies? Bro, there's a
No. We should watch the 4th of July.
Shut up!
Hey.
Come on, bro. Watch 4th of July. Bro, are you good? One second, I gotta get a sip of water. Wait. Oh, man, the lights went out. One second, I gotta go fix them.
Guys, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Someone trying to kill me. You have any weapons?
Ayo, chill.
Someone's trying to kill me. Hey, wait, I'm affected by this guy.
This should be easy for you.
Nice spell. I gotta go.
There's a killer over there. Everybody lock their doors, lock their windows, and stay away. He's mostly roaming around in Monkey City. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
Ayo, chill. There's a serial killer on the loose.
Oh yeah, there is. There's a killer on the loose. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys sooner. I wish I had. Rox already knows that, but I wish I would tell
I
you guys.
bet.
Yeah, there's a killer on the loose.
Why didn't you
One second. I literally just said sorry for that. We have to figure out a game plan to end him. Okay?
I bet. I'm gonna kill that killer.
Once and for all.
Oh, well, we need it. Bro, really, stop flexing your muscles.
Yo, Jack, is that your phone ringing? Oh, never mind.
Liam, stop trying to troll him.
Oh, where are you going? Mark, are you taking a phone call? Oh, okay. Okay, what do you think the plan should be?
Nah, for real, I don't.
Well, where the freak is that bathroom? I gotta take a phone. Jack hasn't been back for a while, so I think the killer got him.